for dinner. So here are the ingredients. This is the wild rocket.
It ulit.
It's raw. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumber. And you know guys, with tuna. So I will use the tuna chunks in water. Okay? And the dressing will be the balsamic vinegar. I will show you also how to make it later. So that's all the ingredients. It's very easy and simple for the salad tonight. So now we're gonna make the dressing. So here, tablespoon extra olive oil, virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons, the Dijon mustard. I'm using this. Okay, here is even just a teaspoon, guys, just a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Alright, and the last is a teaspoon of pure honey, but for today I'm not going to mix the honey because they don't like sweet. So just mix these ingredients, dressing I should say, and put some salt, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. Just mix it. Voila! That's all for our dressing. Now we have to mix all together the vegetable. Okay? First, the rocket salad. Just give me a minute. Rocket salad, the lettuce, the cucumber that we slice it, julienne, and cherry tomatoes. Alright, so that's our salad, and something is missing, our special tuna chunks. So we're using this. So like that. This guy is only good for 2. It's up to you how
much you
salad,
need.
guys, is we can mix also any like carrots as well, and what else, any green vegetable, any green salad can be mixed
Can
on
go
this,
with that
and this
dressing.
dressing. Okay, and the last one is the dressing. can smell the vinaigrette. I love vinaigrette. It's kind of sweet and sour. So, yan ang napaka-easy and very quick. Kung nagmamadali yung boss ninyo, like for example, lunch as well, you can use this easy and quick recipe for a salad with tuna in can. Tuna in can.
Paulit-ulit.
Alright, oops. So, let's do this. Now, it's time for me to serve. Isa lang yung amo kong kakain ngayon. Siya lang, guys. So, I will serve it for her. Voila! Okay, so this is our salad now. It's very quick and easy. You can try this, guys, with your family or for you or with your employer as well. It's very easy and quick to prepare. Okay, so that's all, and thank you for watching my simple video for this simple salad. And kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel ko, please don't forget to like and subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga next videos ko. Thank you so much! Goodbye!